Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am coming to you from my office. It is absolutely horrible outside. It's raining. Oh, see, there goes the weather alert. Tornado warning. Ooh, take shelter. I don't have, I do not have a basement. Hold on, I have to see the weather real quick. Oh my goodness, it's like right over us. Well, that's super scary. Let's hope nothing happens. I wanted to share today the Revlon. That's what you came here for. The Revlon one-step styler. I use this a lot. So I actually purchased this a couple of years ago. It's still going strong. Sorry, the wind is like insane outside. If you have thick hair or really long hair, you know that sometimes doing a blowout usually like the last thing you want to do. You love the results, but it's like getting there is just painful. So before, it would usually take me close to probably like almost an hour if I wanted to get really nice blowout straight hair. My hair, obviously you can see it's a little bit wavy, so it takes some work. I really have to go in sections and concentrate with a round barrel brush and just really work in there. So my arms get really tired of holding a blow dryer and a brush. So whenever this came out, I was really excited to try it. So this is actually a blow dryer and hairbrush in one. There are two types of bristles. There are like this needle-like right here bristles, and also in between there is more of a kind of like what you would find in a boar hair brush. It's a little bit more compact bristles. They're very thin, and that really creates like that silky, shiny look that you're looking for whenever you're looking for a blowout. So again, I purchased this like about 2 years ago when it was fairly newer, like the whole concept of it was, and I want to say I paid maybe $60. Right now, you can definitely find them for, I've seen them as low as $25. I think one time on Amazon, they had it for as low as 20 bucks. And I think it was like a lightning deal, but there are deals out there, especially because there's so many other retailers on the market now competing with the Revlon brush. So obviously they need to make it a little bit more competitive, so the pricing is a lot more competitive, which is obviously great for you. So the Revlon brush has just a few settings. There is a cool setting, there is a low, and a high. I tend to use the high setting just because I'm impatient. There is something that I need to warn you about, which is this thing can get really hot. So yes, you can use it as a blow dryer. I don't recommend using it as a blow dryer if you have a lot of hair to dry. For me, I know if I use this to get my hair from damp to dry, it would get so hot and I feel like it would really damage my hair. Because of that, I wait to use this until my hair is about 90% dry. So as you can see, I washed it this morning and I'm just letting it air dry. Definitely do suggest that you put on a heat protectant because again, you're applying heat to your hair, so you want to make sure that it is protected. One of the things when I'm doing a blowout that I do first is actually put this thing I put on is this Oribe Super Shine Moisturizing Cream on my hair. It just adds a little bit of more moisture to my hair. My hair does tend to be a little bit on the dry side, so sometimes that will create some frizz. So I like to go ahead and add a little bit of moisture back into my hair. So I just put it down here in the shaft where the hair tends to be a little bit drier. I don't put it on my scalp because I don't want anything that's going to make my scalp seem greasy. Once I finish with that, I do like to go ahead and put in a heat protectant. One of my absolute favorites, which I actually just ran out of, is from Bumble and Bumble. It's the Hairstyles Invisible Oil, and that thing is amazing. At least my hair is so shiny and it just feels like it's really hydrated. But because I don't have that, I'm gonna go in with this. This is from Color Wow. This thing is amazing. This is the Dream Coat. Anytime that you're doing a blowout, I highly suggest that you put this on. I feel like it just makes my hair so shiny and just makes it look really, really nice. So, and it's also a heat protectant. I didn't know that. At first I thought it was just to like make your hair seem like a little bit more sleeker, but talking to a representative from Color Wow, they said that yes, it is a heat protectant, so you can definitely put that on. And then I just take like a paddle brush and just brush my hair out. So once I have that done, I'm going to section off my hair. I usually start from the bottom and then work my way up. So I have my clip here. And I usually go right where my ears are, draw a line, and then I pin this up. Okay, once I have that, you have this section of hair right here. I make sure that I just brush it out. And I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the high and just start drying and straightening. And there you have it. So as you can see, it's just straight. It almost feels like if I would have taken 4-hair bristled brush that I would get the same type of look. Of course, my arms aren't killing me. So let's go ahead and finish the other side. And there you have it. I have the bottom portion done. It's just like this silky, straight hair. It feels great. I really feel like this Color Wow does a really great job at just like coating your hair, and it makes it look so much healthier. Or it could be the Oribe, I don't know, but either way, that combo, I just feel like my hair looks so healthy and I love the straight. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of it. So there you have it. I went ahead and did all of my hair. One of my tips is definitely make sure that you section up your hair into thin sections. Otherwise, you're going to spend a lot of time and a lot of energy just drying the hair. And then what that's going to do is make the brush really hot, and you're not gonna like that. You're gonna burn your hair. You're probably gonna burn your finger. I burned my finger at one point. Really make sure that 1, your hair is about 90% dry, and 2, that you make sure you get small sections and then just work your way from the bottom to the top. Now, I have some layers around my face, and this is the way that I like to style it, to kind of just give it a little lift at the top, and then also kind of just frame my face. So I just take a section right here in the front where I usually have like some sort of short bangs, and I brush them to the front, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the hair like this and flip it back. So this is what it's going to do. Okay, and then what that does, it just kind of gives it a little bit of a lift, kind of just shapes the layers around my face. You can also do like some outside layers, so maybe right here around my ear, you can grab it and go towards the outside. So again, it's a styler as well, so you would use it just like you would a round brush. And this one. So there you go, and it just gives some dimension around the face, and it just makes it a little bit smoother here up top. If you wanted to create a little bit more length, you can always just part your hair to one side, and that just kind of creates a little bit of oomph. I like to play around with it that way to see which I like better. Sometimes doing it to the side just gives it a little bit more lift. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video kind of helped you and gave you a little bit of insight as to how to use the Revlon one-step styler hair brush. I really enjoy using this. I have a link down below, so if you want to go ahead and shop that, or any of the other products that you saw on today's video, you can shop them down below. If you used the Revlon hair dryer brush, let me know in the bottom your thoughts on the brush. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Or a better alternative? Let me know. I'd love to hear all about it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I hope y'all have a great day. Stay safe, obviously. I think I need to go get shelter in place right now. And we'll chat soon. Bye.